Hello everyone and welcome back to RysFix. And in this video I will be replacing the air filter of this car Hyundai i10. So let's get started. So first open the hood and put the prop rod in place. Once you put the prop rod in place, I will first start the car and I will show you how it sounds like. There won't be much difference, but just listen to the sound. So the problem what I was facing here was once I leave the accelerator, the RPM used to take time to come down, and it's been more than a year since I replaced my air filter. So I will replace the air filter first and check what's the situation. So come on, let's change the air filter of this car. So the air filter box of this car is right here, which has two clips on top. Both these clips you'll have to press and take out like this. And as you can see, I am shooting video with one hand, and only with one hand I have opened this air filter box. So you can imagine how easy it is. And once you pull the box up slightly like this, the air filter box will come out easily like this. And here is the air filter. You can just pull it out like this. This air filter is looking nice on this side, but once I turn it around, as you can see here how much dust is accumulated on the air filter. So I have already brought the new air filter. So this is my new air filter. It has cost me around 280 rupees. This is a aftermarket air filter. This is not the original one. And as you can see here how it looks like, it comes with the rubber gasket. So first of all, you'll have to touch it to the old air filter and check if it is an exact match. So as you can see here, it looks exactly the same. So I will put it inside now. So to put it inside, just pull the box a little bit, and with one hand you'll have to put the air filter in position. It is very easy to do it. You'll have to only make sure one thing, that is the rubber gasket which is there all around the air filter should be in proper position. Then as you can see, there are two loops here. I will give you a slightly closer look of them. As you can see here, these are the two loops in which these two extensions will go, which are there on the air filter box cover. You'll have to make sure that these extensions go inside the loop, otherwise there can be a leakage and the car will not give a good performance. So here I am putting those extensions into the loop. You can see from the bottom side how my extensions are gone inside of the loop. As you can see here, this is the extension, and I have pushed the extension from top and put it inside the loop in both the sides. Just to remind you, there are two extensions and both of them should go inside properly. So once the extensions go inside properly, the top clips which you had taken out, you can press and put them back now. And once you put them back, just check once again if your clips have locked properly and your bottom extensions are gone inside the loop properly. And once you see that everything is okay, I will start the car now and check the sound. Let's see what sound is coming now, and we will compare both the sounds. So you must have noticed that before it was a very rough acceleration, and now it is very smooth acceleration. So if you found this video useful, then remember to like, share and subscribe. And if you have not subscribed to my channel yet, then subscribe and press the bell icon so that you will get notification of my latest video. And like this, you will never miss a video. Till then, bye and take care.